Hello everyone, my name is Firdaus and today I will teach you about how auto layout system works in Figma. Okay, first, this is auto layout already. Okay, and this auto layout is responsive. When we make it shorter, it will be go down like a responsive tab in the development. Okay, this is the basic of flex layout in every programming language front end. Okay, first, if you want to start it, just get started. Okay, so we have three components here. This is the icon, the heading text, and the description. Okay, we can make the description more smaller, maybe like 16. Okay, like this. We have these three assets already: the icon, the heading, and the div text, paragraph text. Okay, we can start auto layout like this. Block the text first because it will be the different space with this. First, we block it and add auto layout. Okay, or for the shortcut with keyboard, you can press A shift with A. Okay, then it has auto layout already. You see the panel here, and if we want to make all auto layout, we can block all, select all, and add auto layout. Okay. In this panel, you will see the padding, horizontal padding, and vertical padding. Okay. We can define it like, for example, 40, and the top like 40 also. This is the space between the inside of assets to the outside. If you want to see the pixel, you can click a component here and hold Alt in your keyboard. You see, it's 40. Okay. Then we just make it the color. Okay, we can fill the main frame and define the color. For example, I want blue. Okay, we can make it gradient like this. Select the gradient, and then the second color, maximum the fill, and change another to gradient. Okay, we got it already. And we want to make the corner is rounded. We can define like maybe, for example, 25. Okay, we got the shape already. And to make, after this, we want to make the auto layout responsive, or we call it auto wrap system. We can duplicate it. For example, we make it 4. Okay, each design is have like 40 space. We can block all and add auto layout. Okay, it has auto layout already with space 40. Okay, and then we want to make it responsive. First, we can make like this. This width of the main frame we can change to fixed, and we can still make the height is huge. Okay, and we click the wrap in auto layout panel. Okay, like this. Okay, so when we make it smaller of the way, it will go down like a responsive tab, like this. Yes, and if we duplicate it, it will go down like the other concept. And we finish for the responsive auto layout system. Okay, if we want to make it more flexible, we can make all these component. For example, I hold shift and click every component here and make this like fill container. It will be like this. We can do the same for the height of this, so it will be like this. So it will be fill, so it will be like this. Okay, maybe there is something option I forgot. Each of this component we can make the auto layout align to center. Okay, so when we sizing, it will be like this. It stay in the center, and if we duplicate it, it will go be like this. It will not auto wrap because it fills system. Okay, thanks everyone, that's all. If you are confused, you can ask me in the comment below. Thank you.